Last week we lost a multi-million-dollar piece of business. The client said that we aren't responsive enough to their needs, said they were moving their business to a more nimble organization. Nimble. We got to get nimble. So where do I start?
Start here. We're UC for Business by NEC, and our proven unified solution can make your entire organization run smarter, faster, and more cost efficiently than ever before. How do we do it? By streamlining every aspect of your communications, both externally and internally, desktop to desktop, by phone, email, fax, mobile, chat, and via your website. We eliminate the time-killing frustrations of phone tag and overloaded inboxes, give staff and operators an instant bird's-eye view of the whereabouts and availability of colleagues, enable your contact centers to handle fast-paced multimedia contacts with ease, and assure that incoming calls are processed not only faster, but more personally as well. The bottom line? Your bottom line. UC for Business is the difference between a productive workforce and an unproductive one, a happy client and an unhappy one. And while other UC solutions are made up of pieced-together applications, UC for Business delivers the first truly integrated single-source solution, giving organizations like yours a competitive edge like never before. Yeah, we're that good.
Sounds downright nimble.
Find out how UC for Business can streamline specific areas of your organization by clicking on the department you're interested in.
Well, I probably spend 85% of my time in meetings or away from the office. So I have to be able to access, prioritize, and respond to communications from, well, wherever the heck I am. Help!
Help is on the way. Here's what UC for Business can do for you. Prioritize your communications to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Communicate more efficiently with your managers and staff. Respond to requests no matter where you are. Here's how it works. Instead of sifting through messages on your computer, phone, and fax machine, UC for Business brings everything together and lets you integrate with Microsoft Outlook. This allows you to respond to urgent matters first and save less time-sensitive items for later. It also keeps track of all incoming calls even if the caller didn't leave a message. Using Caller ID, UC for Business will even prioritize your incoming calls for you, routing VIP callers directly to your line and letting your personal assistant handle the rest. With Rich Presence, a glance at your screen allows you to see who is available and who isn't. You can avoid tedious games of phone tag because UC for Business will alert you when the person you need to speak to becomes available. Integration with Microsoft Outlook lets you view calendars so you know their availability. The mobility feature is indispensable for the busy exec. Instead of giving a litany of numbers, you can give a single number to be reached at, no matter where you are. Since UC for Business has call forwarding, you can pre-configure the system to play specific greetings to handle various events. Callers can be forwarded around the corner or around the world, all with the press of a button. What's more, all your messages are kept in one place, and you can access them from your desktop or globally over the phone or internet. UC for Business also allows you to delegate tasks more effectively. Your personal assistant can manage your calls, faxes, and messages from their own desktop. They can also personalize the way the phone is answered, thanks to screen pops that display call information. You can even have your personal assistant change your voice greetings for you from their own desktop or phone. What's more, you can send and receive faxes from your desktop, drag and drop messages into other people's inboxes for follow-up, screen calls, and customize greetings callers receive based on their calling line ID. With UC for Business, you'll not only get more done, you'll be far more responsive to client needs. You can view more of this demo by clicking the Home button, or you can request to be contacted by a representative. The links will open PDF documents with more information about each topic.
I spend half the day playing phone tag with the people I need to talk to, and the other half answering calls and trying to keep up with an overloaded inbox. Just once, I'd like to feel in control. Got any suggestions?
Yes, take a deep breath and relax. Here's what UC for Business can do for you. Streamline communications through a single desktop application. Collaborate more effectively and take control of your time. Respond to customers more personally. Here's how it works. The Rich Presence feature lets you see quickly who is available, who is on a call, or who is away from their desk. If you need to talk to someone who is unavailable, you can request an alert that notifies you when they return. Integration with Microsoft Outlook allows you to see their schedule so you know what to expect. The program also keeps track of calls for you so you can see what calls you missed, even if the caller doesn't leave a message. Call alerts give you the option to answer incoming calls, display the call details, or redirect the call to voicemail, all without stopping your workflow. UC for Business also brings voicemail to the next level. Instead of a generic greeting, you can customize greetings to be played for different callers or for different circumstances. You can set those greetings to change based on your calendar. You can even have selected callers transferred to your mobile phone, meaning they can reach you with one number at any time. Greetings can be easily pre-recorded and can be as personal as you like, including names and specific transfer options, or generic for routine use. The telephony toolbar takes simplicity further with easy access to basic as well as advanced functions, making them easier to use. It also gives you one-touch access to global contacts, personal contacts, and the contacts stored in your Microsoft Outlook. And within Microsoft Outlook, you have access to voice messaging, fax, and telephony functionality. You can even send and receive faxes right from your desktop. You can view more of this demo by clicking the Home button, or you can request to be contacted by a representative. The links will open PDF documents with more information about each topic.
For me, every day is a juggling act. Phone, faxes, emails, SMS, web contacts, you name it. I handle virtually all customer inquiries and contacts. Some days I get by without dropping the ball. Some days I don't. There's got to be an easier way.
Welcome to Easy 101. Here's what UC for Business can do for you. Take action based on real-time information. Streamline with a single desktop interface. Deliver a more personalized, expanded service to your customers. Here's how it works. There's inevitably a day when call centers are overrun with calls. UC for Business allows you to be prepared for such an event. With UC for Business, you can pre-configure safety nets for emergency or high call volume situations by setting which types of calls should be delivered to backup agents when certain thresholds are reached. Supervisors can manage call delivery from the administration interface based on the real-time status of agents and queues, reassigning calls to alleviate backups. To measure performance, you can use the reporting function to get standard and customized reports on call handling, call volume, peak times, and other useful information. As an agent, you'll also be able to be more efficient and save your company money because you'll be able to handle multimedia contacts from a single, intuitive interface. The calls, emails, chats, and faxes will be routed based on skills, so you'll have to transfer fewer calls, wasting less time and making for more satisfied customers. You can also keep your high-value customers happy by giving them priority handling. And while customers are waiting for assistance, the information they give can be used to cross-sell or upsell with customized announcements. Wrap-up data can measure the number of responses. The system can even be used to launch outbound campaigns when there is a lull in your call volume. The real lifesaver is how easy UC for Business makes this whole process for the customer. Customers feel more valued because they can be routed to their preferred agent or to the agent who helped them last. While they wait, they're informed of their position in the queue, or if they'd rather not stay on the line, they can opt for a callback while maintaining their position in the queue. You can view more of this demo by clicking the Home button, or you can request to be contacted by a representative. The links will open PDF documents with more information about each topic.
I handle about a zillion calls a day, from routine stuff to urgent client issues. A lot of times, I'm the organization's first point of contact. So what I'm doing is important. I'm just not really sure management understands that. Anybody out there listening?
We are. Here's what UC for Business can do for you. Process calls faster and more efficiently. Deliver a more customized and personalized service. Stay on top of things with centralized control. Here's how it works. When you're sitting at the console, you can instantly see how many calls you have waiting and who the callers are. If there are too many calls for you to handle, they can be routed to a backup operator. In the event that you recognize the incoming caller, you can drag and drop the call to an extension or a voicemail box without answering it. You can also answer the call without touching the phone, using the point-and-click telephony functionality. Based on caller ID or number dialed, you can decide which calls need to be handled first, and you can personalize the company greeting. All of the call information will automatically be displayed for you in a screen pop when the incoming call is received. The Presence feature allows you to see who is available to take calls and who is occupied or away. You can also view their expected time of return. If someone is away, you can pick up a call ringing to their line, transfer it to their cell phone, and change their status. Even if a user is not away from their desk, you can transfer callers not urgently in need of assistance directly into voicemail. With centralized controls, you can change the call forward and greeting settings for other users. You can also distribute fax and voice messages for follow-up or send and receive faxes, all without leaving your desk. You can view more of this demo by clicking the Home button, or you can request to be contacted by a representative. The links will open PDF documents with more information about each topic.